The Bow Wow challenge.
Get you another one. I know it won't be the same. You get a bottle. You get a bottle. You get a bottle. Taking so Nicole.
Taking a lift over to Miami. So it's so busy here, like it's so busy. This definitely doesn't feel like traveling during a pandemic. This feels like regular traveling.
Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind. When we rewind, feels so nice.
I made it to the hotel, but we cannot check in early because they don't have any rooms available. So I'm just sitting here. The lobby is crowded, like that's behind me, the desk. In front of me, like there's multiple people in here waiting. I guess they flew in early too. I went and changed out of like my socks or whatever because it is hot here. It's real pretty outside. I thought like if I got here early that it'll be fine because I could just leave my bag with the front desk, even if the room wasn't ready. No, can't do that either. They're not doing that due to the panorama, so they say. Because I was gonna walk the strip and just chill until the room is ready and until the other girls get here. But by the time they get here, hopefully our room will be ready. Like how they don't have no rooms available for people that have already booked. Like that's crazy. It's crowded out here. I finally made it into the room. It's not really much. Oh, there's people at the pool. We need to go down there. I'll do a little room tour later because we just demolished it already. So I'll do it once it's a little bit neater, but pretty much it's not really much to show. We're getting ready to go. We're all hungry, and luckily when the girls got here, they let us go ahead and check in early. So we are about to head to get something to eat and then see where the Miami wind blows us. So yeah, y'all, so I'll get back on the camera when we're actually out and about. What? Oh, I didn't show them the room yet. I already let them know. See? I already let y'all know. See? Yeah, I said we already demolished it because we were getting ready. But then how they got an iron and no iron board? Where am I supposed to iron at?
On your flatbed.
Y'all, look at this bed. Oh.
There ain't no bounce to it.
Is oh my.
Ain't no bounce to it, baby.
I ain't. You know what? Again, I ain't saying. So yeah, y'all, we're about to walk. We're gonna meet up with the other girls, and I'll talk to y'all when we get to some action. Say hey, Candace.
Hello, now.
Mamie over there chilling. Barbie. I'm a Barbie girl. She look like a Barbie.
I thought you called me a Barbie.
No, you're Rapunzel. You're Rapunzel this weekend. Long hair, don't care. Let it flow. How many inches? How many inches?
So we have 26, 28, 30, and 32.
Boom, period. All right, y'all, so we are sitting out here. We're waiting. We may eat at this restaurant, we may not, I don't know, but we are under. Yeah, girl. Yeah, girl. I'm coming back.
I'm gonna put 35 in the grill.
I like that caption.
Isn't it?
Is that your weekend thing?
Uh-huh.
Okay, I like it. That's real cute. I was like, look at her rapping.
You seen that thick water on TikTok? The thick water?
The thick water. What's that?
It's literally what you think it is. Thick water. It's water that's like thick. I guess when people who have issues with drinking, just
Water
regular
so
water,
thin?
yeah, it's thick. Like,
So it's like Jello?
right? How you make water thick?
I'm just stick to what I know. Ooh, Bahama Pop.
Sweet time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good to show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you a good guy. Make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it. I wanna see it. See how rewind. When we rewind.
It is day 2 of the girls trip in Miami, and y'all, it's early. I'm waiting. Y'all can't even see me, but I'm about to get up, get ready for day 2. Today we're supposed to be going to eat at Bacon Bitch, and then we're supposed to have a yacht party, and then I think we're going out somewhere. I don't know, some stuff that's supposed to be on the itinerary today. So I'm excited because I've never been to Bacon Bitch, and I've heard a lot about it. I'm excited for the yacht party too. But let me go ahead and get up so I can stop sounding like a little grumpy man and get my day started. I'm in Miami, so excuse me for looking rough, but yesterday was travel day. Then it was our first full day in Miami, so we walked a little bit up and down Collins Avenue. We didn't make it to Ocean Drive yet, and we ate and we had drinks, and we were supposed to have game night. Y'all, when I told them, I said, when I hit the bed, I'm probably not gonna get back up, because we all had dispersed to the rooms for a little bit, and then we were supposed to meet back up. Child, my friend called me, was like, all right, we ready? And I was like, okay. Tell me why. That was at 10:15. Tell me why I got up and said okay, hung up the phone. The next time I looked at the phone, it was 11 o'clock. I had dozed off. I was like, oh my God. So I had got dressed really quick and went upstairs to meet them. They was all like, oh, we done canceled game night. Game night is canceled and rescheduled for another night. So, but I think that everybody was just tired from traveling, because I know I was up early and then I didn't get any sleep, and I think they had to they was up early too, traveling to the airport and then flying here. So today hopefully we all got enough rest so that we can enjoy South Beach.
All right, so I am ready for the second day. So I have my little, these are some old shorts that I've been had, Levi's. I do not like this lighting, y'all. This lighting, I'm probably not even gonna do a room tour because it's really not nothing to show. But this is a little shirt that I got from, I think, Shein, and then I got my bathing suit under it. But yeah, you know, nothing major. You know, I got my little ankle bracelet. You know, hot girl in Miami. You ready?
Yeah, I guess.
You in Miami?
Stop it.
She's in Miami, y'all, and she talking about something she need to put something on. She look cute. You gotta be my.
I think I got a key.
I just put one in my bag, but just in case. And then make sure to, cause that door.
Right.
Y'all, we in Hotel Trap. What's that scary cartoon movie? Yeah, that's where we at.
Oh God, it's funny.
That's what this feel like. We were supposed to meet everybody down by 9 o'clock. We 5 minutes late, but it'll be okay. Look at this elevator, y'all. So this is Hotel Transylvania, aka the Catalina. It's on Collins Avenue if you wanted to know. It's somewhere to lay your head. I'm gonna just say that. And yeah, it is close to the beach. All you gotta do is get out and walk if you're looking for somewhere. But the lighting is so bad here.
It's horrible.
It's horrible, y'all. Like, it's horrible. That food looks really good. Because I'm hungry. This is Miami. Collins Avenue behind me. Ooh! See, every time I see one, look. I feel like going and shooting it right here. Every time my coworker laughs at me, every time one passes by our job, I'm like, girl, you just don't know the story. Good morning. Look at this, this is so cute. Me and Mamie, we just touring the location because the girls haven't made it yet. So we was like, let's go tour the rest of our hotels. So the Catalina is actually 3 hotels in one. They're like right by each other. But this is a whole vibe. Like, look at this.
Oh, we in here.
Candace would love this for pictures too.
Sure, we in here. I'm here for it.
They got a little bathroom.
Yes.
We could have brought our drinks up here.
Yes.
That we made in the room. Yes. Come through for the sun, honey. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Ow. And let me see you walk. 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 Y'all, so we made it to Bacon Yacht. They're taking photos right now. I'm hungry, so I'm ready to eat. Hopefully there's not a long wait like everybody's been saying. We're about to go walk on Ocean Drive until it's time for us to eat. It was about an hour wait.
Fly
What is it? Get it. Hey, okay. I know that's right.
Microphone killer and cold as ice.
Oh.
Listen to me and I say it twice.
Oh.
Murderer.
Oh, okay. Not the murderer. Period, boo. I get a little, he's getting a little too close, honey.
Hola. Hi. I said hola, not hi.
Oh no.
The fuck? What you looking at with your ugly ass? What? Your nigga ugly too. What you looking at? Yeah, walk there, bitch. Go that way. Look that way, honey. I'm from Singapore, bitch. You not want to try me, honey.
Nicole always find us friends. I'm sick of you.
He said, I said hola, bitch, not hello. This is us for you. Oh, he's coming back. He's coming back. Oh, shit. He's coming back.
I speak the first two languages of the kid.
They out here working out. That's where I'm going to be tomorrow morning. I'm going to come work out. Get my little workout on.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help hide the sweet talk. I'm already on my way.
So welcome to Bacon Beach. I'm here for the day. You have the menu in front of you. Main beaches are croissant sandwiches, like the ones on top of the menu.
Okay.
Naked beaches are platters, no croissant. And on the bottom you see the side dishes. You know, they're not meant to fill you up. That's why they're side dishes. And then we have the
I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. We've been dancing all night long, right here with you way too long. Don't want nothing here or now, but I'm done waiting, done wasting my time. Let the sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Sweet talk, sweet
Here you go, bitch. Happy birthday.
Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness.
Oh my goodness. You said that, right, bitch? Here you go.
Oh,
Cheers,
thank you,
bitches.
bitch.
So the table looks more presentable for the video. Can I take this? What we show? The one up, it's up and it's up. That's what it's saying. Up and it's No, that's part of me. That's part of me. And it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's up. Look at that.
The Bow Wow Challenge.
That's what we gonna call it, the Bow Wow Challenge.
The Bow Wow Challenge.
We had Bow Wow money.
All right, y'all. So we just got from brunch. We ate at Bacon Bitch, and now we are about to get on the yacht. Expecting stop. In the name of love, so the money team is actually back there. So Mayweather is down here. We saw him somewhere on Ocean Drive, and then we saw his entourage truck. We're walking to the water. These boats are so freaking pretty. Oh my gosh, look at this.
They are beautiful.
These are, oh my God. This is nice. Rich bitch. Frederick. Frederick. Bring me my water, Frederick. I'm a rich, this is a rich bitch vibe. What is that earthy thing?
It's before I touch you, hoe, don't you know? Can't you understand? If you fuck with me, I'll take your man.
Don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind when we rewind. Feels so nice. We time. You, I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk. You need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more.
Yeah, where are we supposed to sit? Look in here.
Lie, man. Ain't no way.
We got it. Ain't no second row here. It's just the seats up there.
Oh, okay.
Hey guys, so we are, child, I don't think I talked to y'all since not the pool party, since the yacht. We was on the yacht. Child, that thing laid us out. Like, we were so lit on the boat. By the time we got off, we were rolling off the boat, okay? And that sun drained me. I'm tired. Made me back there tired. Everybody in the room, like, we came back.
Let's go.
She like, have her in the bed. Right along with everybody else. We were supposed to get up. We were supposed to all meet back up at 6 o'clock to go eat at this taco place. And then we was like, well, we'll go find something. Everybody decided, or is deciding, that we're gonna eat hopefully downstairs at one of the restaurants, because at this point it's late. Then we just found out the place that we wanted to go to tonight for the club, my friend wanted to go to for her birthday, they gonna put on their Facebook, their social media, that they closed for the night. So I don't know, y'all. If y'all planning to come to Miami during the panorama, just be prepared. Right now it's 8 o'clock and I gotta eat dinner somewhere.
I'm gonna get loud like that was last night.
Pop Smoke! Pop Smoke got the city on lock? Okay! Y'all, these walls are paper thin. Hey, I don't know what he said. There you go, there go the trouble right there. Child, they better come knock on this door. It does. Well, see if it works, because at this point, we don't know what works in Hotel Transylvania.
We're gonna get them hyped up.
Oh gosh.
Oh, this will be fun.
All right,
I don't
y'all.
know how to work this stuff.
Me neither. And I know how to fight. But I tell you once, I'll tell you twice. Good morning, guys. So I am up early. I'm trying to catch the sunrise. I got like 10 minutes to get to the beach, but it is Sunday. Whoo, child, last night was crazy. I have to tell you about it. Our sleep was disturbed in the middle of the night at like, I think it was like 3 or 4, something like that. It was crazy. The whole hotel woke up. Like, it was just crazy. Chaos, all that. But y'all, this got to be the ghettoest turn the alarm on? Right now I am walking, hopefully I'm walking the right way, to try to catch the sunrise. All the girls are still at the hotel asleep. I got up and was like, I knew one of these days this weekend I was gonna go to the beach and sit there and do my meditation while the sun rises, because that's what I wanted to do. So that's where I'm headed right now. So yeah, I'll catch y'all on the beach with the sun rising. I'm so excited.
Good morning.
Good morning.
How you?
I'm good. Y'all, there's so many crazy people out here. It don't even make any sense. But beach walk. Beach walk. It says beach walk. Ooh, the sun is coming up. I see it. Today's supposed to be another pretty day, so we'll see. We shall see. I got my little beach bag, my little workout gear, because I said I was gonna work out, but girl, ain't nobody working out. I just want to sit here and enjoy. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Oh my gosh, the beach is so freaking pretty. We haven't been to the beach yet. Today is supposed to be beach day, so oh my god, look at the cruise ship. It's just sitting out there in the middle of the ocean. Let me take my shoes off. Want Santa get in my sneakers. Okay. All right. Almost there, you guys. Oh, shoot. Oh, my gosh. It is so pretty out here. This is like one of the things I've always wanted to do. But every time, like, I'm on vacation to a beach or something, I just never got up on time to do it. But the devil tried it last night though, by disturbing, like by causing that chaos in our hotel. And then you know, me having to get up earlier than what I scheduled. Oh, a couples out here, that's so sweet. But anyways, me having to get up earlier than what my alarm clock, because I had set my alarm clock for like 6:30, because the sun is supposed to rise at 7:23, and right now it's 7:15. So yeah, the cops back there, they patrolling heavy out here, but not heavy enough though, because people still out here not listening. It is cold, y'all. I was gonna put my feet in the water, but it's too cold. I don't want to disturb their little love making, but I'm about to be out here. This is so freaking pretty. I wonder if that boat's sitting there so they could see like the sun too. Let's sit right here. Right here, right here, right here. All right, y'all, let me set up real quick. I made it. It's 7:16. It is literally nobody. Like, it's a couple of people. You have couples, like, I don't know if y'all could see it, but it's a couple like literally down there. It's one right there in front of me. At first I was like, girl, you don't need to come out here by yourself, especially with the spring breakers. I mean, just like being cautious or whatever, but I'm God's child, you know, so at the end of the day, you could try me if you want to. You won't get too far. All right, y'all, I'm about to enjoy the sunrise. I'm gonna let y'all watch too, okay?
It feels so nice, I can't help hide the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe.
It's so pretty. Like it came a little late, like it's 7:40, but it did start rising at 7:23. It just now fully rose, so like y'all can see the light. It's like I'm literally sitting directly in front or directly across. But this is so pretty. Like people are out here taking pictures. The couple that was out here, they waited literally until the sun fully rose. They took a picture, they kissed under the sun, and then they left. It was so beautiful. It was so beautiful. But this is beautiful. I'm glad I came out here, and it's freezing though, so I'm about to go get me some coffee and head back to the room because it's freezing. I did not expect Miami to be this cold, but here we are. So yeah, Starbucks, H&M. So if you're in Miami, South Beach, and you want to go shopping, this is where you go, to Lincoln Road Mall.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help that the sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say less to me. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than
Anyways, I'm excited. I have my coffee. I'm ready for the day. So today we are going to a brunch, another brunch. I think it's in Wynwood. Then we're going, I think after the brunch we're gonna do beach day, and then lunch on the beach. So I guess we're gonna find something that's close, or like sit at a restaurant that's right there on the beach. And then tonight we have dinner reservations at the Sugar Factory, so that should be fun and exciting. I've never been to the Sugar Factory. I don't think my friends have been to the Sugar Factory. Today is actually her birthday, and this is exciting because she gets to celebrate her birthday like in Miami. Like, how dope is that? So this should be exciting for her. Happy birthday, Candace. I already sung to you last night at 12, but I'm gonna sing again. So whenever you see this vlog, you know that I'm saying happy birthday again. And I wish you many, many more blessings, all the blessings in the world, and this new year to bring you nothing but great things. Thank you. Thank you. Let me mask up since I'm in a store. But yes, let me go ahead and get what I'm looking for and head back to the hotel.
one thing. I did more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it.
I'm gonna go ahead and edit that part out. Oh shoot, okay. Take two. Hey guys. Good morning. We have made it. Oh, you cute.
I love
you
that.
cute.
Love it, love it, love it. The color and everything.
I do. I love the fluffies. So we are downstairs. We are about to head to brunch, and the sun, I just want to catch the sun, honey. Look at the sun. Yes. Yes.
Okay, blue jeans, red.
Look at Candace. Look at Candace, the birthday girl. Yes, you better be looking like Miami.
Miami. Good morning.
Good morning.
I'm with the gang, and it's gonna be a robbery. So tuck your chain, I'm a kid.
I wanna see it, see how. Rewind, when we rewind, it feels so.
All right, you guys, so we made it down to Wynwood, to the art district. This is where they have all the pretty murals on the walls, paintings, and all that stuff. The Uber literally dropped us off in the middle of, I don't know. But anyway, so hopefully we get to take some pictures on these cute walls because it's cute. Look at it. Look at the little... Uh-oh, somebody getting a ticket.
Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
Would you like to ride?
No, the last time I rode, I crashed.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, I don't want to. I don't want to.
Like this, or was it the stand-up one?
It was this one, I think. It was. It didn't have this big thing.
Specifically this one?
No, no, no. I wouldn't want to mess up your bike. I already know me. Oh, look at this Foot Locker. Look at that Foot Locker. That is cute.
Where y'all see Foot Locker?
This one.
Oh God.
This would be cute with some cute sneakers. That would be a cute picture. House. This is where we're going, apparently.
Like literally like yelling and telling y'all where to go, but ain't nobody like helping and shit. Yes,
Look at the mural on the wall. That is so cute.
We go sit beside the little man. He got a mask on too.
Candace, next one's for Candace and her top dog. Candace. Augusta, Georgia! Happy birthday, girl. So excited you're here.
Oh, okay. Let me turn this way because the sun is this way. So, we're done with the R House, Miami.
They have not showed up.
They have not, but we're about to leave because we're trying to go. We on a schedule. Candace back there.
On my toes.
She said she feel it on her toes. I feel it in my body. Where y'all feel it at? Where y'all feel it at?
It's all like my chest, my throat, all of that.
All of it. Mamie is a lie. Mamie is trying to be the cool. Mamie's the cool Cancer. We're the 3 Sagittarius, and the bestie boo back there is the Aries. Mamie trying to be cool. Throw baby. I'm trying to give it to you. Throw baby. I'm trying to. You call him Chimichanga. Mamie. Throw baby. Throw baby. Y'all, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Cute, look at that cake. We're not leaving any bottles filled. The only bottle filled is this one because it got a bug. Any other bottles, empty, 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 empty. You get a bottle. You get a bottle. You get a period. And we're done. Bye. Oh, look at the baby. Oh my God, look at the baby. Hi, little baby. Oh my goodness, he's so cute. He's so cute. Don't cry. I'm about to cry. Don't cry.
We can get you another one. What kind would you like?
I'm about to cry.
We can get you another one. I know it won't be the same. But we can get you another one.
Y'all, so real quick, I just had to chime in. This is present day Nicole. As y'all can see, I am editing the video, but I just had to chime in real quick because y'all, this part here is just cracking me up. First of all, I was extra emotional this day because guess what? Guess who showed up? Mother Nature. This was the first day. On top of, I was really sad. It was like literally 2 weeks after my dog had died. And then y'all, I don't know how many drinks we had. Like literally, I don't know how many drinks we had. But yeah, I just had to chime in and let y'all know, like, your girl was, I was done. Okay, I was done. Let's hop back into the video.
No, what's it? We gonna get you another. What kind was it? We gonna get you another. I see you at the crossroads.
See you at a crossroads. It's not funny. I'm really sad, y'all. I'm really sad. Oh my God. Look at these recipes. Calm down. Carmel was the daddy. I'm about to get another dog. That's it. I'm sad. Oh my God. I'm sad.
It's Samson. Too many mimosas.
What's your name? Joseph? Candace, who ordered those Uber? Is his name Joseph?
I don't know.
Oh Lord have mercy.
Let us see.
It's too late. He's taking off.
Nicole, go ahead. Hey,
Get him.
hey,
Get her, Nicole.
hey,
Get her.
hey, hey, hey. Come on, man. Come on, you gotta get it.
Put on the music. Let's go ahead and get this.
Look at Mamie. The Mamie, don't be ashamed.
Oh, show on.
Okay, all right, we gotta be quiet, y'all, because we're
like we civilized.
okay. We're in Target, so we gotta be quiet. We gotta be quiet, y'all, because we're not in Walmart. We're in Target.
Alright, they Gucci.
So we gotta act like we're civilized.
We're
gonna get put out. Are you now? Are you? Are you embarrassed? Because at this point, the warning sign has been turned on this vlog, okay? And so anything after this point is a warning sign. I'm not deleting anything. I'm not deleting anything. Everything is going on. We are in. That's the only one we're getting. All right, let's go.
Yeah, oh sorry, I'm so sorry. We gotta go all the way back. We have no.
Yes, ma'am.
Y'all be out in front of stuff. Man, you gotta go.
I am. I love you and I miss you.
Yeah, I done missed the whole damn beach day. I'm so mad because the bitches is like, it's drunk as F, okay? Like, clearly I came home. Clearly I came back to the room. Oh Lord, my boobs talking to y'all. Clearly I came back to the room and apparently I missed the message about not laying down, like, because I guess I lay down. I put my bathing suit on, like I got my bathing suit on. Yeah, I got my whole bathing suit on. And apparently I missed the message because I woke up and the bitches left me. Like, they left me. But it's 2 hours later, like, bitch. Yo, like, brunch had me gone, okay? Like, I'm looking back like, girl, what in the what? I don't know how many drinks or mimosas we had, but clearly, oh, okay. Between mimosas and Target, I remember going to Target, and I think I remember getting out the van. I mean, not the van. We had a SUV. It was an all black SUV. I remember doing that. But other than that, and then I remember getting here. I don't even remember coming upstairs. I remember getting here, putting my bathing suit on. And then that's it. I don't even remember laying down. So maybe it was best for me not to go to the beach, because what if I would have went to the beach and would have got in that water, that ocean, and would have been intoxicated? What if, like, I could have floated all the way to the middle and then nobody would have been able to help me? Like, I can swim. I could swim like Flipper, y'all. Like, I could swim.
So I clearly missed the beach day. I was knocked all the way out, but we are going to the birthday dinner, and we just found out that Sugar Factory closed after making reservations today after 7 because of the Miami curfew ordinance. They're closing at 8 today, and our reservation was at 7, and she was like, they're already closed. So that's crazy. So right now we're about to head to this place called Taco Taco. We ate there last night. Me and Mamie did, so we're just gonna eat there again tonight. It's a cute vibe, so it's not bad, but yeah. Just know that if you come to Miami,
during the panorama. I feel like it's because of the spring break. It's not really because of the panorama. It's more so because of the spring breakers and they're tearing up shit. So yeah. But we're about to make the best of tonight. We're about to make the best of tonight, and that's on that. My Shein outfit on. So yeah. Good morning, guys. So it is like 6, almost 7 o'clock. No, it's not almost 7 o'clock because my Lyft's supposed to be here at 6:30, between 6:30 and 6:45. So I am the first to leave. Ooh. I washed my face, I promise I did. But like the mascara, I fell asleep with mascara on. But anyways, I'm sitting outside the hotel waiting for my Lyft to get here. So it's about 4 minutes away. So yeah, the weekend has come to an end. The Miami streets on a Monday morning. It's so clear compared to like what was going on the whole weekend. Like it was a hot mess out here. Like it was crazy. They shut down South Beach all weekend. Like they put a curfew into effect while we were down here. So we really didn't get to experience South Beach like that. Overall, the weekend was good though. I can't even complain. It was a much needed trip. My first trip of 2021. So all right, y'all, so I made it to my gate. Oh, my elbow hurts. Look at the pretty plane back there, y'all. Look at her, she's so pretty. And then another one right there.
Stay right there, please, Mr. Marco.
This gate agent here, he is giving these girls the business. I don't know if they missed their flight and so now they're trying to get on another flight, but he is giving them the business. Like they're just standing there looking crazy because obviously they thought they can get on this flight. It don't work that way. So anyways,
I am looking for Bensico, Julio. That's you? You got a seat already, brother. What are you waiting for? Come on in, my brother.
So yeah, so anyways,
now I'm looking for Carlton. Who's that? Who is Williams? You guys have to stand or you guys gonna lose that ticket. Yes, please. Just take that there for me. What you guys doing? Alright, you guys gotta go on board there for me. Stand for me. Go on board, you as well. Go ahead and have a board and board the aircraft, please. Don't worry about her. If she gotta get the next flight, she gotta get the next flight. Ma'am, come on and bring your luggage. Let's go, please. You got to go.
This is crazy, y'all. Like, this is the guy there. Look at him. He is like, y'all better come and get on this airplane or y'all gonna get left, period. Period proof. Y'all gonna be left right here in Florida. Alright. Yeah, I'm clearly still in Miami because I was on the wrong side of baggage claim. So I was like, somebody stole my bags. Child, here go my bag. So I made it back home in Atlanta. As y'all saw, I landed and I'm finally back home. I am going to unpack. I'm not going to wait till the last minute. I'm going to unpack. I'm going to wash my clothes and take a nap. A good long nap because your girl is tired. This weekend was amazing. I had a great time and I need to go wash me, wash my clothes, wash everything, okay? So definitely, I love that this was the first trip of the year. It's been a year and a half since I've been on a flight. So that was just the best feeling ever. On top of hearing those magic words that your girl been waiting to hear.
welcome aboard. This is your pilot. What? Okay. So yeah. Like, I was so happy I was greeting the flight attendants. They didn't have to greet me. I was greeting them. Thank you. I'm so happy to be here. Thank you. You know, so yeah. Thank you so much, y'all, for sticking out, sticking it and rocking with me. Of course, by the time you see this travel vlog, this will be like literally my first travel vlog of 2021. So I definitely wanted to go ahead and pick up the camera and vlog this experience, this trip, because I know I haven't, you know, technically been back on, and especially I haven't done any, I have not vlogged any trips since like last year. So this is the first travel vlog of this year. So thank you so much for sticking and rocking with me. Shout out to all the new people that are here. Make sure you comment down below where you are from. Where did you, you know, why did you subscribe, or, you know, whatever, what brought you to my channel. And then to all my OGs, like all my ride or dies that y'all been kicking it with me since day one. Thank you so much for rocking out. And those that checked on me throughout my little social media hiatus, thank you. I appreciate it. I felt loved. I felt it. I did. I felt the virtual love and support and just the seeing where I was at. So thank you. If you enjoyed this travel vlog to Miami for the bestie's birthday, aka girls trip, then go ahead and hit that thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you doing? I'm back consistently. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and go ahead and leave a comment down below. Leave a comment of the airplane, because we taking off this year. That's all. That's it. So make sure you comment in the comment section the airplane emoji, okay? Because we taking off all 2021. Period. Period, boo. Period. And that's on what? Bye, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next vlog.
Just don't